For our next example, I have added two new methods. One is setup method, one is tear down method. So this setup method I have annotated with the before annotation, and for tear down I have annotated with after annotation. Let's import this annotation. So now we can see that this import before annotation has come now. Let's import after annotation. So in before annotation, this annotation always run before any test method, and this after annotation, this method will always run after my test method. Let's try to run this setup and tear down. Let's see what it will print. Here in run console, you can see that it is running setup method first, then our test1 method, then our tear down method. To understand better, I have added one more test method class, test example 2. Let's now run what will happen with these methods. Here we can see that whenever I am running two test cases, this setup method and this after method are running every time whenever my each test case is run. First test method is running here, and setup and tear down is running here. Second method is running, and before that setup is running, and after that tear down method. So this is the example of before and after methods annotations in which we run each things again and again whenever our each test method runs. Let's say if you want to collect some activities which are repetitive and need to run before each test case, and for example we have a list of objects. We want to create some list of objects before our running our test cases, and we want to clear those list of cases after each test will run. So in those cases we can use these before and after annotations. So this setup method represents initialization of data, and tear down represents deallocations. To do activities where cleanup is required, mostly we use @ after annotations for that. These methods also help us to optimize and help in clean code practices. So these are the a few use cases. Thank you for watching this video, friends. I have added the links in the description below. If you like this topic, please subscribe and share with your friends. For any question, you can post it in the comment section below. Thank you.